So here we're given these three numbers that are all greater than 1, and their ranking is x is the least, then y, then z, and we have to find the one that has the greatest value. So they have different combinations, so you do have to kind of go through these. You can either use a number, that's one way to do it, and then just plug these in, or you could kind of do it logically. So I'm kind of looking at it, this one kind of seems like a good candidate. I'm multiplying z, which is the greatest, by the sum of these two numbers, and that's because z is the greatest here. Here x is the least, so these are not going to be as great. And then here I'm doing z times y plus 1. So if I were to compare z times y plus 1 to z times y plus x, which is e, y plus x is going to be greater than y plus 1 because x is greater than 1. And same logic can be used for a, because I'm doing adding x and y, which are both greater than 1. So that's going to be bigger than x plus 1. So we know these two are out, so the answer is E. Now, if I had to do this by plugging in, I think they're probably expecting people to do y to be 3, z to be 4, and then we're going to plug these in. I mean, you can do it that way too, 4 times. But you have to go through all the answer choices and plug them in. So first I'm going to substitute, then compute. It's just easier for me to visualize it that way. X is 2, y plus z, and then I have d is 3 times x plus z, and then finally I have 4 times x plus y, and then I'm going to compute this. This is 12, 16, that's 10, 18, and that's 20, and indeed that is the greatest. So you can take this approach as well. The answer is E.